So hi guys, this video demonstrates the surgery of a lateral supramalleolar flap for a dorsum of foot defect. This is a dorsum of foot defect for which we have planned this lateral supramalleolar flap. There is an elaborate video on the planning of this flap, but for the sake of completeness, the pivot point is roughly 5 centimeters above the lateral malleolus on the line joining the head of the fibula and the lateral malleolus. The anterior border is the tibia, shin of the tibia, rather lateral to the shin of the tibia over the tibialis anterior muscle. The posterior border is the posterior border of the fibula, but we have encroached the posterior border to some extent. The upper border is said to be the midpoint of the line between the peroneus brevis and extensor digitorum longus. It is important that we go deep is the fibula. We are taking a cuff of the periosteum as well, so that ensures that we have a robust vascularity, because this flap is based on the distal supramalleolar flap is totally islanded and we have a thin tail over it. The tail will stresses, and these are the late outcomes which show complete survival of the flap and good amount of graft take.